people I get a piece of mix up. Listen. A certain phone company, me get it live, you know. Make sure me investigate it. A certain phone Jeremy, listen to that one, you know. A certain phone company, it appears, is sending around people to buy phones. When I talk about phone, I talk like a 20 phone, 30 phone, 40 phone from one shop. From shops from another phone company. And then me hear say, them dash way. The cheap phone, the phone them buying, them dash them way. And then the more expensive one like some LG, them do something me so them reflash them. I don't know what that mean. It sound in a computer term, I know when you flash the BIOS by your motherboard and things. So them reflash them. You hear what I say? Yo, it look like the phone company competition to get wicked. You can't imagine if you send around people. But because what happened is that representatives from one phone company say, when the people them come in and claim say, them daughter have a birthday party, so them a buy 40 phone for give you at the birthday party. So them sell it the person. And when them do, they make somebody trail the person. And them see when them go in a one van and them meet up and whole heap of people there with bags. Where other people buy phones from the same phone company. You follow me? Now, apparently there is some process there. Where after you buy the phone company must send credit to the phone. But them say when them send the care, them try to send credit to all of the phone them. Whereby, it's as if the phone them don't exist. Me just assure you how competition can get brutal, crazy, and sitting. So the idea, you know, if you buy out the phone them, nobody know have the phone them not there for buy. You understand what I say? So them don't have any users. Papa Jesus. Me say me get that one alive. Me go and investigate it more. But I tell you now, get Mixup. A certain phone company. I send out agents like them in a CIA undercover to buy up the phone them from another phone company. And then that's where the whole of the phone. Papa Jesus. Money? Wanna see where money make me? Crisscross, just ring studio, man, because we're going to follow up that mix-up here, you know. We're way past the time for...
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, that anything really can go so to the world. Okay. Man demands money back for breast implants. Man demands money back for breast implants. It's true that Karsten signed a loan agreement shortly before the operation. The woman, named only as Anastasia, is quoted as saying, the condition was that I wouldn't have to pay him back if I stayed with him for a year. But the pair split shortly after she underwent the plastic surgery. The woman said she had transferred 3,000 euros into her ex-boyfriend's account last week. So basically that woman are there with her brother here. And she asked the brother for her money for go to breast surgery. So the brother said, all right, me lend her the money, 4,379 euro for go do the breast surgery. But here I know. He said, since me and you just start talk, me no want to go dash my money, so come here and idiot. So you have to sign a contract, so you have to stay with me for at least 1 year in order for this thing to go on. You understand? Then after she do the surgery now, she want cut. But Mr. Man have him contract sign up and thing, you understand? So the man can't go court and all them thing and whatever, this and that. She now flag up with 3,000 euro in the man account. So she still short 1,379 euro. But the way the contract right is, it's like say if me lend you that computer, you crisscross, you understand? And the thing that work out with the 1 year, you have to give him back the computer.
The warranty deal.
Yeah, so it's not even like the idea that anyone should have come up with the extra 1,379 euro. Him going to send the repossessors for take back the breasts. The breasts, because of plural. take by the implant them out of the breast, just like that. So she have to go back. Papa Jesus, would I love for them if you see that. She have to go back to the surgery because the man I put on him phone. I hear that she take the man for, you know. I hear that she take the man for. She thinks that the man don't allow the thing because the man on a fool. Him just start talk to her and talk about you want breast implant. And him go so boom. All right, me rinse the money. But yeah, man, I want just start talking. You come take a 4,000 and change off of me. That's crazy money that, you know. And we are talking about euro. We don't not talk about US. Because euro value more than US as far as I know. You understand? So the man say, contract up the thing. You have to do me at least 1 year. Basically, what I say indirectly, you know. If I get 1 year, that's something make cool. You understand? So the man say, what? So you just get the surgery and want cut? Give me back my breast, them. And that the brother say, mad, I mix up because of that twin again. See, the brother lend her the money for get the breast implant. She get the breast implant, can't pay back the money, but she signed a contract. She have to there with him for 1 year. 1 year not up and things. So the court say, yo, the man could have to repossess the breast, them. I saw it there. That
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Here we go to the phone lines now. Good afternoon. Pastor and Church Mixup. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Greetings.
Hello, Raga.
Whoa.
Mumma.
Mumma in the building. Where you say, Mumma?
Go on. I have a mix-up with you, but I hope they are mix-up.
Send it down, Mumma.
With this boy, see Raga.
Yeah.
And he have a baby mother.
Yeah.
And the man and baby mother left, you know.
Uh-huh.
And Raga, when she have her first baby father, she say the first baby father upon him.
She do what?
Say on the first man upon him. She got a woman man go say on the man upon him.
Our first baby father dead, right?
No, him not dead. Him tie on the man upon him.
Panu.
She.
Oh, pan she.
Yeah.
So the first baby father tie on.
Yeah, she tie on the man. Somebody must tell the man.
Uh-huh.
Say she tie. The man must shoes must go under her bed.
Uh-huh.
Rather when the man take out his shoes under her bed, I back her. Underneath the bed where woman tie up the man.
Uh-huh.
You know.
Oh, okay.
The man move out and come back. He end up that again, he find a different man. That's I want to be there with now.
When you say him find a different, you mean she?
Yes, the man left the man move out.
No, hold on. You see, hold on, Mumma. It's when you refer to the woman. Try and say she here because it confused people who are listening. Just try and say she, yeah.
She, yeah. Right, she then.
Yeah.
She find a different man that I man me there with her now.
Yeah.
She breed her one pitney for man.
Yeah.
Raga want the man have a nephew over St. Mary.
Yeah.
When the man look, when the nephew look, now the woman in she come and St. Mary the Wobia man.
A lie.
Yes. And the boy run go down and granny and tell him, say, no, say me see my uncle baby mother. Down and granny, and the granny say, me I send you a town, reach before him, a town, and he come and tell him. Raga say, and the man pan the woman. When the bad pan when washing her, I she wash the plate in her.
The bad pan
when she wash her beard in her, like that the science man tell her to do. A man belly get big up and a sudden.
Well on,
like so the man breed and can have the baby.
Well on, so the bad pan where she beard in her.
Where she beard in her.
Are the same bad pan she use go wash the plate?
And she use and wash her plate.
And when you say it look like that, the Wobia man tell her to do.
The Wobia man tell her to do.
When did she walk the
Wobia? She have a friend. And she got a friend here down a country, she go sleep. And get one piece of old wiring away upon her finger, say a gathering.
Okay.
No, she said she not stop Wobia me. Me and the man fight for you, me have to throw water upon the man and burn up the man, you know.
Well on. Why you fight with your mama?
Me and her man, baby father, come me and her man, they know, you know, me throw water upon the man and burn up the man.
What, mama? What you burn him up for? What you burn him up for with that water?
He want to kill me. I have a long night stand up for one man door. I have to run in a man house.
And then...
I run in a man door and the man out the door. Come here people underneath the door, but the man never tell him saying to go on. Load the girl alone in all. So I just put on some water for boil. Me know the water boil, me I call 119.
Right.
I stand up out the door with a long knife and he now move.
Yeah.
So when I open the door, I see rush after me again. So I come out with the cup of the water and show upon him and him Scream.
And
When
him,
the hot water take him.
when the hot water take him ball out.
He borrow.
Eh,
He say, yes. And you will start fight now.
eh.
So then now the woman, she have a little boy, we are 8-year-old, and you have one daughter, we are 13-year-old, we are selling body in a Raga. Look, you are 13 and taking body and make community service.
Well on.
You want a man can't.
The little girl at 13 and I take her.
13-year-old and I take her body make community service.
Like everybody arrange a little girl.
She has sell her 2 bills, what she has sell her 2 o'clock, she don't come in yet and the mama know about it and can't know about it. So she can't walk over her feet.
Well on. This woman at 13-year-old daughter all I sell 2 bills sort out.
2 bills sort out.
And the mother know.
The mother know at 2 o'clock she don't come in yet. And night owl and call her.
So wait, hold on.
7.
What is 13-year-old girl go sell herself? What she go sell herself?
Not we man them in a community, look who waste man never want him.
In the same community there?
In the same community, 13-year-old, everybody in the community know I will talk, everybody a talk about him for 30. Raga about for him about 8 him a start out with man.
What the girl from Shabo 8 she start out with man from Shabo?
She about 8.
From Shabo 8 she start out with man?
She a start out with man.
But so what them where mother say? Where mother say? Them what the mother do?
Mama can't rule her. Right now she have a court, so she go a certain place go fight over a man, so she have a local court now where she a go.
Well, who go fight? The 13-year-old go certain place go fight over?
13-year-old go fight over a man.
And they are court right now, family court.
They are a family court right now downtown.
So basically, I said the mama can't manage her.
The mother can't manage him. All 2 o'clock he not come in here.
You mean can't manage her? Can't manage her?
No one can manage him.
Her.
And she can't work the hobby if make she stop work and start out with the man, but I mean she a count about it, she a hobby.
Okay, but go and talk now. So what you say now? What did I say now? Differently. Continue. No, where did it continue now? Where you say like she said she a go hobby you and all these things.
Yeah, she said she a go hobby me I know she a work with a hobby woman, but I tell me one tell her is a machine, me go swing crash and the hobby woman head.
Okay.
If the hobby woman a good hobby woman, she better read it up and see that part there.
Oh, so if the woman good like that, she better see the machine.
The man good like what fashion what the hobby and know the hobby can't catch me.
See it there. So, you want the baby father still, since you throw the hot water upon him?
In calm like a lamb.
Okay, everything cool, you know?
In kind of cool down.
All right, then you and her ever clash yet? You and her ever clash?
Yes, Raga, me wheel up a pipe and cross her head side. 3 out of pipe and to run past her yard.
When you say you're not kick off for you give her the pipe,
I fight already, man. She come in on me and I have to beat her out to the road.
And you give her 3 out of the pipe iron?
3 out of pipe and she run past her yard.
She forget where she live after she get the pipe iron them. But as she...
her finger paralyzed. I bite the finger, tell me the bone a cracking in my mouth. She beg me please leg off her finger.
Mumma, what the hell is wrong with you? What the hell
is wrong with them?
Why you always a beat up all of them people or something like that?
Them take the right church and come off of and sit in the wrong bench.
Him do what?
Them sit in the right church, but I believe them pick the wrong bench.
Oh, them go to the right church, but them pick the wrong bench.
The wrong bench. Them
okay.
Playing with Lucifer's sister.
Them are playing with Lucifer's sister, no. And that are you. That are you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because you not play them with it.
Me not playing with them, Raga. Right now, me see she up and down and visit a past the gate and she love Wobia. She find one man and Wobia man and married to a man. The man send with him baby mother 8 years and he never have in mind to marry to a baby mother. And when he find him, the man go with him flat belly right now if you see him and it's like he's one baby.
That's what you think?
She tie up the man them what she there with. Pure Wobia she walk. Pure Wobia.
Okay, so you think say Wobia make the man belly big like him a breed right
yeah,
now?
She tie the man.
So the man look like him a take in?
Yes, he might take in his one baby. I don't know how much month belly that. Because about 3 years now there and the baby can born.
So wait, a 3 year now him belly big so?
3 years.
Well, I could just don't move. I take a time signal. Just don't move.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Don't let those monthly symptoms spoil your day. Get relief with Setimol Menstrual and get back to you. The time by Setimol Menstrual is...
It's 15 minutes to 3 o'clock. Yeah, Mumma.
Yeah.
So tell me something, I know. So one time you and I fight, though.
One time me and her fight and she come back Sunday like she come back for her dead.
What did that my Sunday?
I look boy a face with me and I call her up on the phone and tell her for one I look boy. By the time I have my phone and reach, she go put me nice Sunday right and peace and the woman that reach on me yard.
And what she say? What she say? What she do?
Call back my phone again and you wish so me come out. And I start give it to her.
What you mean? What you mean?
And I give it, no cuss her.
Oh, you start tell her the things them?
Yeah, me start tell her of the things them. So me say to her, I say, my daughter is come look for me. So me say, look for me good, nice daughter when me produce. You think I'm hungry? Like your one.
Oh, okay.
She will tell me about my daughter who she don't know nothing about my little 15-year-old daughter.
All right. But your daughter 15.
Yeah.
I feel your daughter 13 now.
At 13.
Yeah, but you see when you're in there, it's when you have one of big people cussing woman. Nobody bring in the picnic them in night.
I bring me nice picnic when me produce.
What she?
Nice
Hold on. As she first start class up your picnic?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I start class up my fear one.
All right.
I know fear one a community service she do and she can't do nothing about it.
And when you mean community service, that means that she had dash it out.
Yeah, the community service with that bad. You don't know what I do.
Me know. I just want to clarify it for somebody listening. But yeah, what I said was that even if somebody bring in your picnic night, somebody tell you, you know it's your picnic, you know, everybody involved in the picnic. Because if your daughter start out from she 8 and at 13 she sell her body all for $200 pop. You understand? Clearly that child needs some guidance and some help. It's not, you know, it not going to help nobody.
Ragashanti don't want no guidance. She just love money. I just money are them problem. This money thing are them problem.
What you mean? They look
at... not even know nothing. She don't like piece of wood.
She what?
Don't like wood.
Okay. But what me I say, I still picnic, don't it?
Yeah.
I still
pick. If you do something about it, she can't walk over here. The warrior man can't take. Stop that.
Okay. What me I said was that.
The warrior man always said me can't stop that.
Okay. But no care what you have here, you must just try not to involve the picnic every night, here?
Well, I'm going to swing something across her head side.
All right. So what me I said, if you avoid her, don't?
Well, I'm never avoid the late. For me come, she take TSS for me and she not there with the man. She live with her man and she and the man down there.
Because she live with...
She not there with the man. She live with her husband.
Okay, but all right. What she say you always do them make she not like you? Because any of me go talk to her now. What she say?
Nothing. She just don't want the man to have nobody. She alone to have somebody and the man not to have no woman.
Oh, okay. So she married to another man, but she still feel her way say her baby father go there with a different woman. Her ex-baby father. Well, her ex-man go there with another woman. She can't deal with that. She can't stomach that.
She can't keep her because she said me's not a girl. She can't go around and play with like how she play with the rest of them.
Okay.
I mean, I take no talking. I like to wheel me chopper, me piece of pipe, you know.
Oh, you love to wheel the chopper. Then, Mumma, then tell me something, you know. At your age, remember, how old are you right now?
31.
You're 31, Mumma. Mumma, you don't feel say like call them only power and them chopping up a people and a pipe and the people. You don't feel say, you feel like they're sitting there, no more.
I want to let go, but I them coming on my way. I'm not going to make nobody stand up and make nobody do me nothing.
Okay. So
I'm not stand up and make nobody do me nothing. I'm ready to go lay down and arise and tell you reach 4th August.
Okay, rather than for make anybody do you anything.
You know, to which part me live, I have no family around there. But the boy bring me around there. And she claims that she born around there. But I want to tell her that people are born. Anyway, I run left the house and I remember about furniture.
See it there?
You know what she a content about what she born.
Well, you don't have to tell with the road. Just tell with the area.
Tell her the road?
No, tell with the road. Tell with the area.
Tell her the area, Franklin Town.
Franklin Town. Down at Franklin Town. There,
yeah.
Right. So you love that man who you're there with now. Are you good man now? You love him and everything, don't you?
No, Raga, I don't really love him because I can't agree. He hurt me like duppy. He come like a bed bug.
Why you say that?
Every night he come in, Raga, I talk about man. He has start out with man. He just have a man problem.
What, him feel like say you give him bun?
Yeah.
Oh, so every night him accuse you of giving him bun?
Yeah, and fight. And night time he come in, he fight like an idiot.
Him fight you?
Yeah.
So wait, on a fight every night?
Last week when they get that water, you know.
Last week when they get that water, and then what?
Last week when they get that water.
Okay. But what may I say, so if So every night you end up in a fighting and all them something.
At night, Raga, I'm coming in fight.
But I want to fight for, like in terms of a relationship, want to fight for, want to always a fight for.
Give a fight over man, claims they must be jealous and people as them man, but nobody not tell me. I just him mind him he mind tell him madness.
Oh, okay. I want to make them move, they know him always go
and
like...
and then everybody has me wicked. Raga boy bust me already and give me 8 stitches around left me, me nearly dead in a piece of it called taxi,
Well on, the man when you there right now, bust your head one time, give you 8 stitches.
All the while he always do me things, and the one little time he take back revenge, he come like a god, me kill.
Oh, I'm come for bust your head. Oh, I'm come. What did that make him bust your head?
After the little boy come and spit on me, so I tell him, say, don't put nothing in his fridge, me see little boy.
Well on, fame, little boy come spit for you.
Come spit for me, yes.
And then what?
I slap the little boy.
Right.
He always put juice in his fridge, the little boy, for that. So I tell him, say, don't put no juice in my fridge.
Right.
Him picnic and picnic, have no manners, can picnic, come spit for me.
Right.
They develop an argument. I mean, him start fight.
Yeah.
And the robot. So one night he put up on the table and look up pen knife. So I fling the knife aside and he take up the knife. One lick in my head, I feel blood out of my forehead.
In your forehead? And then...
stitches when I go public, me get.
8 stitches you get when you go public?
Yes.
Okay. Then, Mumma, well on, so tell me something. Remember, say you tell me, said, you like the man them where warrior do, I want to beat you up.
Yes, I'll them that's why I war back.
No, but Mumma, what me not understand, and I what if our people don't understand. How you ever tell we say, because you tell me with your one mouth say,
yes,
you not like,
me tell you, yes.
Well, you tell me with your mouth say, you not like no little simple man where, now whatever. You say you like the man them where warrior. You say you like the man them where warrior and want to lick out your cloth or whatever, because you love to war them back. So me want to know, why is it? People will listen and say, you're a mad man. Why you like them man that we are going to bust up your head and all them something? Why?
Because I don't like his soft man them. But that one is idiot. That one is nonsense.
No, me say. No, well on. We understand that woman don't like soft man. But if you don't like soft man, you can't get a man who is not a yes man and an idiot and who can stand up to you. But you do have to get a man, you do have to always get man who are going to kick it on, back it on, bust up your head and all them things there. But it sounds like a them man that you always are there with Mumma. Why?
A them man that me always get. Me don't know why me always get them crosses, man. There.
No, but Mumma, what me I say is, not only you always choosing them man there, you tell me with your own mouth, say, are them man that you like, because you like the war.
But that one is not different. That one is just woman strength, him have no strength, man.
Who, that one yeah?
Yes, him not have no strength, man. Because I see man lick him down and not do nothing about him, but I mean, you want to come war.
Oh, okay. So him can bust.
The one that we defend me, I can defend themselves. They not defend me, not defend themselves. They might defend me, they might fight me as a woman. If you have woman strength, if you have man strength too. Okay,
so you say you one of the reasons why you like them man that who can do you them thing that is because them man that can defend you. But that one
me like man that can defend me.
But that one that can defend you, yeah, say.
That one that can defend me, you can war me. That's all him good for. He can't do not want war me.
So basically because him can't defend you, you don't really respect him then?
No. If he can defend your woman if anything.
So what happen with you and him then?
Repeat?
Now, what going to happen with you and him then? We're not going
to... me so left him. I just make birth paper me out wait for him to move out and place.
Okay.
Me soon go about my business, but me just wait for my birth paper to start out to go business.
Okay. So what? So...
Anytime you get out, I leave.
All right, so you and him still do the things,
Repeat?
You and him still do the things,
Me and him?
Yeah.
Me and him live.
What that mean? But you and him still it's an evening of the drama and the excitement and still do the things no?
Yeah, we still do the things
Then tell me something, me always curious with all other people now who war all the while and fight and chop up. When you not do the
time me go and call all the while, every time me go and call back the phone and beg.
No, but what me always want to know. People like, who war all the while and chop up on it and all them and them, gangster type of people and people who not take certain check. What do not sort out? I see him sound go on.
Where's the Raga?
What do not sort out? I see him sound go on and go hardcore and all them rough way there too.
Raga, I feel feelings that did feel right now. So hardcore partner did it, sir.
The hardcore partner did it, sir?
No, feelings that did vibes first.
So you and him now do the things them then?
Me and him do the things them, but you know, normally when you're in love with somebody, then go on away.
Yeah.
The vibes not did it, sir.
Okay, so in general, it does.
It brought the vibe.
Oh, Zin. So it does make him do him thing and you just easy and.
Make him do him thing and satisfy himself.
Okay, all right. I know you're all right. But you not really feel nothing there. I know that.
Right.
Okay. Then in the past where you love a man though, who really it's always just a back of my mind. When you love a man who you really love, but him still roll them gangsters.
I one man we love in a Raga.
How would I?
But I see him look one day round, so.
Okay. You still love that one there?
Yeah.
Boy, you boy, me believe. No, man, you hear your voice deep and get soft and what? It look like that one that you really love for true, you know, Mumma.
Yeah, that one day.
So wait, any of him can't...
If I true, I get him from prison.
Oh, true, you get him from prison?
Yeah.
You feel, so that's why you probably love him, so because you get him from prison?
Yeah.
Okay, so wait.
And
so,
I want the man in can call up if we have fight, but I want a thicker and not bigger body.
Which one thicker and a bigger body?
That one me have now.
Oh, the one that we have him thicker and a bigger body?
Yeah, so me all can manage him, you know?
Okay. But the other one, you say you and him can call up and you can fight?
Yes, I'm a little bit slim, you know, like me, you know.
Okay, so when you
can war like 2 man.
You and him can war like 2 man?
Two man, yeah.
So when you call up with him and the two and do the thing, that's exciting, though?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now carry themselves good, don't it?
No, me don't want no cholera broke out and catch me.
Tambourine, when you say, Mumma, you hear about the cholera thing over here?
Yeah, me don't want to catch the cholera.
You don't want to catch the cholera?
No.
All right.
I have no flesh for my body if you go to cholera resistance.
So wait, Mumma, you just said something interesting. You're that slim body girl? You're that slim body woman?
Yes, you are slim.
You're slim.
I'm managing fat.
You can't manage. You're a slim girl.
Slim, yeah.
Okay.
We about 90 pounds or 100 pounds.
A lie you're telling her, Mumma?
I'm not telling a lie, but I'm telling her if I'm not get paid.
Well, about 90 pounds or 100 pounds, you really weigh for true, Mumma?
Yeah, about that, yeah.
Mad.
I'm 31, I look like 16 years old.
But me not lie. Me sure say most people who been hearing you, I wouldn't be surprised if most of them think you was like this big body trapped in woman.
No, me not big, me little bit.
You see?
Little but me tall.
And such a damn warrior.
Yeah.
But Mumma, you for
Zina
second.
princess.
Zina. Yeah, Zina, warrior princess.
Yeah,
Mad.
warrior princess.
Mad, Mumma. But Mumma, a Ragashanti attack to you, you know. You have to start make them dry out and chop up the people them and give them.
But when me have buy them come in and me wear. Stumbling block in my way, so you have to move the stumbling block.
All right. But Mumma, Raga rate you, Raga love you, Raga want what is best for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Some of those want you just do what you can do for avoid them and avoid them conflict and them chop up there and them iron pipe and then sit there.
Yeah, avoid them and them come in and my way.
All right then, Mumma. Blessings and respect, you know?
Yes, Raga, I love you.
Love you too, Mumma. Love you too, Mumma. Love you. Raga,
yeah,
love you and rate you, yeah?
Yeah.
All right then. Backside, you know, Mumma sampling, you know,
Chasing.
eh? Mumma, man, I want to Tambourine family member, but Mumma not play, you know.
What you say about cholera a while ago?
No, she say like she live in a yard where the woman them not too clean and she don't want to catch cholera and thing and whatever.
She cut out.
Yeah, but Mumma just tell her straight up. She said no, she just attracted to the man them who can fight her and want beat her and whatever. But then she would say, right after that she would say, them man them I love because when them want to lick me down with piece of board and iron, me just lick them back with piece of board and them type of man that she love, you know.
So is a man like you she talk about?
I think it's time for the news. I think it's time for this.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the sitting. The Mumma, crazy people are calling and a post on the internet say you can't, from all your sound, there's no way you can be 31 years old and we're 90 to 100 pounds, right? And the amount of people I say it, I find it interesting. Again, Mumma, crazy people I say from all your sound and your age, them I say there's no way you can wear 90 to 100 pounds and them have to see you to believe it. Them say them have to see you to believe it. Some people all say, Raga, make she come and mix up and blend at National Arena. And sit there. Them can't believe it, Mumma. But what me I say is, what me I say is, if Mumma had really short and slim, she can't wear that. Don't you not think so, Michelle? Eh?
Yeah, she can't wear it.
If she
can't wear
it. Wear it.
My bad way.
Wear it. No, man, I say if she's short and slim, she can't wear 90 to 100 pounds.
Because somebody tall and slim can wear 120.
Exactly.
It's possible.
It does depend. It's what people cannot get over, because them hear her voice and them hear how she roll. So them I say them can't believe like a dainty petite person like that could have in them the breed of fight.
Our voice make you picture a little ruffian, you know?
Yeah, not a little ruffian, a big ruffian. A voice make
them
yeah.
stout woman, they them trampler.
Yeah. Them trampler.
She sound like a trampler, you know?
But she's not a trampler. She's a chopper. Why Mumma easy Mumma sample. But anyway, we're there tonight. Pastor and church mix up, pastor and church mix up. Any other sample mix up on the warrants. Any other sample mix up on the warrants. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings. Yes, hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. What's up?
First time calling.
All right.
But I feel a little bit shy.
Okay, don't be shy, darling. You need not be shy when you're speaking to Uncle. You can't say it that way there, yeah?
Oh, I must say
it. Say swipe. Say swipe. So you catch her a swipe, man?
Yeah.
Hold on. And when you continue to talk, you have to be very careful and make sure you don't say anything like that, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, you promise?
Okay.
You promise, Uncle Raga?
Yeah.
You're not going to say anything bad on the radio now, right?
Right.
You're gonna be a good girl.
Yeah.
All right, then talk to me.
Me catch this girl, I swipe a man one time, so I stand up and I peep through one hole and I watch her for long.
Which hole you did that peep through?
On board house.
On board house?
Yes.
Then how old were you when you did that?
Big person.
Okay, so you didn't know the girl?
Yeah, I know the girl, I know the man.
I know the man. So you confident so now where you can peep through the hole and see what going?
I know the girl say them something they should do.
Okay. She tell you?
Yeah, I see she and the man. I may say, may wait and watch if I know the house, them a go and then make a peep.
Right.
Say, me did a peep. The man I tell her, say, numb. She must let it go.
All right. You can't really give her no more details, but well, when you say numb. So when you say numb, if you let it go down with numb. Listen to me. I can't believe you're calling the radio talking these things. You're not allowed to talk. So when I say let it go down because it's numb, well, it look like, say, we can't really get it at this, but it look like, because there are certain skills as far as what I have read. According to what I have read,
yeah,
it look like she don't know how to do it properly so it don't get numb. Because from what I have read, there's a way where you don't feel no numbness, so probably she just a go and no.
Okay.
Okay. So wait, it's the first you ever see somebody do them something?
Yeah.
And you never do them thing there?
No.
Never yet?
No, never do it.
Not even since that time there, right?
No.
Okay, so then, okay, fine. So find your seat and then what happened after?
The man, when the man box her, she still hold on to it and me knock down the door and I said, let it go, me out.
What you say? What you say the man box? Weird. So what you say? It numb till it appear in the clot or a box.
Yeah.
So what you say? After I'm box, she still not letting go.
No. When me tell her, say me there, me see her.
So when you ball out, I'm saying when the box, I say let it go. What you do? You bust the door and say what?
No. Me no bust the door. Me knock down the door.
I say what?
I say let it go. Me there, me see you.
No man.
But
My belly happy and me. My belly happy.
You know how she get through the window.
What you mean?
But she jump through the window run at the back and run down. I'm calm friend same time.
So weird. But you tell me say man say let it go cause it numb. Me never know it did so bad man. So when you say me have to walk up a box man her. And she still like and that damn grip. Yo, I tell you man. You know, no, it's like, he just can't you have guys, so you attacked it. And you just say it's so simple. Yeah, but I see when him boxer. Me just imagine him when the numbness take him. Me say I feel like you don't hear me say I feel like me say numb in a skull. And then she still like yo,
hello?
Me not pain. But nah lie. But look how you come up on the damn radio so simple like you can't have my chance. Oh, God. Oh, no. I want him mad. The numbness take him. Me see him say if Lego slow. And she still not Lego. No, my side, I can't. My side, I kill me. So when you say, you just ball out, I say, let go, you know, you say, let go, you say, she just take it through the window. I run like thief with her gripper. Tambourine! No, me not support the violence, but just I see like when the heat reach him and the pressure reach him and he must say, look, because from what I have read, you know, in position like that, he must have wiggle and not try to get to a long time, you know. You can't imagine him like him a wiggle and try to get to it. I say, like, you know, I do it right, you know. Until Lego, man, Lego, hey, can I hear me say for Lego, slow! She must say, no, let go. You should not let go. You should not let go. No, let go. You should not let go. With our full mouth. No. Well. If me not do no more show for you, so me alright, yeah. Because you see all this is sitting there, me I tell you now, you see this is something, you all this a drive go country and member and all want run off a road, you know, man. Y'all know your party will be a member, you know, so all want sleep or whatever, you know. Y'all all a teacher class and member and have to take all a break, you know, man. And so all this a joke, you go with it all, knock your back around. No. Alright. Well, I eat that, no.
All right.
No, well, that's all it did I tell me, right?
Yeah.
But you love the arms up. No. Well, look how you come up on the damn radio like you can't my shots. I know. All right, you take care, yeah?
All right.
Yeah, man, bless up. No. Hey, you know, Michelle, I make it shell down. Well, I can't hear Michelle. You know how I make it shell down. She never did actually tell me about the box, you know. She just come back. No, so you see after I'm back, sir. That's why I tell her, say, you see the good thing with stunt, when stunt attack?
Yeah.
When stunt attack, stunt now give joke, you know. Stunt just attack, and the joke come. Keep it natural, keep it real. You understand? She not give joke, she not set out for give joke. She just attack. And in a just talking and being herself, the humor come on. You understand? And I just she just attack.
Take her simple shot.
Which is very different for the caller. They will call and say, have a mix-up, Raga, done you.
Raga, share the tambourine from now, Raga. Just share the tambourine from now.
Whatever me tell you, Raga, me tell you, say, have a mix-up, Raga, tell you. Me say, me look at the clock, Raga, and it's 3:15. I eat that.
Get it? 3:15.
Whatever. And then some of them all try bit it. You don't understand? You know,
yeah. She shot more.
No, man, I tell her I want to take the cape. But hold on, give me our next caller. Hello? Okay, take out the mic. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, greetings.
Yeah, Raga, first time caller.
All right.
Me want to call from last week when I did lesbian mixed up, you know.
Oh, well, man, but talk, see him, man. That's how we think set, you know. Free up, see him, man. Talk up.
Yeah, because my friend is calling from the friend of the tree job.
What are your friend, what?
The calling, the one who said have a tree job.
The tree job?
Yeah, man, the man.
The tree job, me no
he must store, Raga, he must store.
Oh, the gay got the one. Oh, he must saw. Remember that? Yeah, he must saw. Yeah, so the gay one, we have the tree job. Yeah.
Yeah, I know I'm a good friend.
Oh, Zane?
Oh, Raga, one girl me I call about, you know, she not so.
Yeah.
But I'm a friend and...
Voila, you are so?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, go on, Tom.
Right, and what if a girl attracted to her?
Yeah.
But how is that you call up her name, Raga? But I'm not too talk. Raga,
No. Is that somebody who me know?
Yeah, somebody I know good. She said she know you too.
She said she know me? And me always I call up her name. All right, she probably don't want her name to mention in this.
No, me tell her to call last week to talk about the mix-up because it was the topic.
Okay, so you say I will heap a woman a stalker.
No, one girl.
A stalker, a looker.
Yeah, but she did get with her still. But Raga, when I cut me off, I but me have something to tell you.
You know why I'm going to cut you off? Is it something where I have to cut you off, boy?
Yeah, I have something to do with you.
I cut off the call like that.
Hello?
I don't want an inside joke. Tell me what.
Hello?
Well, I cut off the caller for a second. Bring out the caller. It's Wagwan. So why not tell me for a long time? I'm there. What? Dirty Karen!
You know, I'm not like Rooty one. I'm just like I tell you something like you as a man, you know.
No. Me I wonder, Rooty a roll. Michelle, I fight it.
Can't. I say, boy, but I'm just going to say, test it to Raga, please, and done.
Eh?
Right? So I said, don't tell Raga to me, you know.
No.
I prank and she can't even hold it.
No, man. Them did that, but them the smile, man. Them did that hold it, you know, but them a try turn around and smile. Them a act unnatural. I think some of them.
I'm going to tell me I come at town tomorrow, come look for you, you know. I'm there, cookie, Jane.
Got me all as a cookie and everybody is a cookie, don't it?
I don't know what that. Yeah, weird. But as the Tantan say, nothing more than you go a foreign go shoplift. Because the pants them can full of pockets, sir.
But look, Parshi, I say from Stone talk and rinse out the thing them with the woman them do a small island. Me say she just.
You can't tell me that shadow from that, you know?
Yeah, she out there, Tantan over there work it though. You feel so, though?
Yeah, I'm confident that's where it go.
I can't see her jump in a swamp. I can't see Tantan jump in a swamp.
No, I'm vexed right now.
Why? No matter vex, man. That's how I think it. No, man.
Things gonna feel for me to wait up. Get nervous in the studio.
Yo, you know me not cut off people. I tell you everything in my body. I say, yo, leg of that one. You get set up. You get set up. Yo, Karen, you hear that talk there a while ago? You hear the mix up with the girl give you a while ago?
Say numb?
Yeah.
What you want to do me till me numb, you know, so.
No, you may have to backstab, you know?
Why?
No, sir. I tell you one day I've been weak. I want to mash up my mate a while ago, man. I'm crazy.
Yeah, bring back memories.
Oh, what, for you?
For you? I'm so many other stuff, you know.
What?
I can't get it.
What? What?
But say bring back memories for you.
No, I bring back memories for you. Can I show you that remember your box?
No, but...
Yes, I know you remember your box. What, you didn't let go?
Right, I know I'm not talking about my liar, you know, you're lucky.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Wait, you don't work today already?
I don't work today, you know.
Oh, Thursday.
Yeah, when they are chilling, no?
Oh, Zen.
Sleep on the AC while we have AC.
No, say a word, man. How is the little one?
She just gonna sleep.
Oh, I want you to take care of her and don't make anything go wrong, you know, because I don't want to come down here and kill nobody. You understand?
All right, that's nothing.
Big up, look at Amelia.
Big up Small Island, Tantan.
Yeah, big up Small Island, Tantan. Over there, look it in at the swamp. I
take all of the damn money I buy cakes up, it burn me.
And popcorn.
Later, tell you to stay.
That's a word, man. No, you can't catch a king, man. I want to you.
Me not catch a ragga. God, no.
You can't catch a king, man. I'll pick up your voice after a while.
When?
Yeah.
When don't look you.
All right, Karen. Blessings here.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. Aye, God. I sure you go on good, man. I lie. Okay, here we go to the phone line. Pastor Church Mixup or any other proper mix-up. Greetings. Good afternoon. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, I am, brother.
Yeah. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello?
Good afternoon.
Yes, greetings.
Yes, I want you to big up the pastor, man, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, right now I'm in a car and the police, them a give us a spot check, yeah?
Yeah?
And them a search up in car. And when they search under the car seat, they find whiskey. So they say, Pastor, no whiskey this under the car. Oh, yeah, Pastor. Yeah, the pastor, man, Jesus, you have done it again. You have turned water into wine.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, listen up now. Next thing I want to talk about, you see, I want to talk about the woman who invite man at the yard and also them live a house with man in there.
Hold on. The woman them will invite man at them yard and know say them live a yard with man in there. Them woman there.
Yeah, them fi stop it. TAPPIE.
Okay, tell me about them woman there who invite man at them yard and know say them a man in there, yeah.
One invite me at the yard, yeah?
You run invite, yeah?
And me go at the yard.
You go at the yard?
Yeah, I'm in at the house.
You in at the house?
Yeah, and the man knock on the door.
The man knock on the door?
I mean, they're far, you know.
But far in the house. Where in the house were you when the man knocked on the door?
I was on the bed.
You were on the bed?
Get a sort out.
The what?
I was on the bed going to go sort out now.
Going to go sort out. Where you from?
Me?
Yes.
I'm from Nigeria.
You from Nigeria? Okay, go on to.
Yes. So when me go get sort out now, the man knock on the door.
Me don't know which Naya, which Gia, which Ria, but you know come from Nigeria, you know.
Hey, what? I come from Bihini. Bihini in Nigeria. It's outside of Nigeria.
All right, go tap your foolishness and talk. Otherwise I can clone out the thing too much.
we are telling you right now, boy, I'm in the house. Man come knock on the door and I say, yo, is who this in my house? Let me say to the baby, what is? Yeah, now you me that tell about, you know. Let me just grab my things and just run out of the place. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so me just want you man to know, say now, if the man link come on and tell man don't, if you know you live at the house with the man, don't tell the man to come there.
Man, yo, I know how you feel now. I know how you feel now. You have a problem with delivery when you tell Mixup here.
The delivery?
Yeah, your delivery. Like,
I'm saying the woman, they know that eventually they live with the man. Stop invite the man to come to their house. Me don't know that the man still come there.
All right, then. Bless up and respect, here.
Yeah, easy.
No, sir. Okay, good afternoon. Hello. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Ragashanti?
That's me.
Listen, me have a mix up the seats, brother. Listen, me have one man that put my pressure up to 5-6 knots.
When you say the man that put your pressure up to where?
5-6 knots.
Saltfish knot.
Yes, listen, the man not say the man was an ex-cokehead. The man a see voice, the man a hear everything.
The man a do what?
The man a see. The man a see things and the man a hear things, brother.
All right, listen now. Stop. Hold on. No, stop. You have,
yes.
There is somebody making noise around you, and we're not allowed to talk to anybody with background noise here. With that type of background.
Yeah, me turn on the radio, brother.
No, make them turn it off. If them are listen, them can't listen while you talk. We're getting feedback and it call up the show here.
Yes.
We still are hear it.
Let me turn it down.
Me say we still are hear it.
Turn down the radio. Yeah, I can hear me better.
We never have no problem at hear you. We just hear a bag of other things that we don't want to hear.
You hear me now? Yeah, hear me now?
Me say, you listen me?
Yeah, me listen you.
I never had a problem hearing you. I was hearing you. Listen to me. All I'm saying is we don't want to hear the background noise because something might say we'll get you in a trouble, so we're not allowed to do it. All right?
Yeah, but I'm not in the background noise now.
All right, it sounds better now. Talk up the things now. Yeah.
Listen, I'm one man.
Yeah.
And I never know the man was an ex-cokehead.
Yeah.
The man I see things, the man I hear things, rather. I'm pressure down up 1-2 knots.
Why must you? Why must you not hear?
The man I see things, the man I see people that call me at night time. And the man I said things that if I go outside, so for instance, a beard rather. Night time, a beard, I'm go outside. And like me, set the slippers on wheel, like me slippers we set to the east. When the man wake up, the man said the slippers move and down to the north. Me say, rather, me under some stress, me can't take it no more, rather, me am mad.
But
the man a mad man, the man so impotent at night time, me can't get no peace. I be impotent to the man, impotent and a truth for me, rather.
What, impotent at night time?
Impotent, man, like say, you don't know impotence mean?
No, me want to know what you think it mean. Because you say you not get no peace.
I didn't call it the show over.
As in what?
As the show start, the show over.
As the show start, the show over. Okay.
As the show start, it over. You mean potency, rather. I'm a truth for me.
Okay, that is not really impotent, but that is, I understand what you mean here. But generally impotent meaning can't even start the show.
But yeah, it started over.
Okay, that is premature reach.
Yes. But rather the man are sitting and the man are hear things rather. We can't take it no more.
So what you going to do with him? So what you going to do with him then? What you going to do with him?
But rather, I have to go let him go, you know. I have to go let him go for water pass. I have to go in the ambush.
So how long you and him? So hold on, basically I say him jealous bad, don't you?
Yes, rather, I'm jealous of the massive things. I mean, I know the man are ex-cokehead, rather.
So wait,
one night police a player. And the man sends tape on the mic, I hear them, I big him up. And them don't know him, you know. I ask me not 4 o'clock a man if me not hear them, I big him up on mic. But I see some things, rather.
So wait, so only just a play them things and them a big him up special,
Yes, them a big him up on mic, but not go for the man.
So hold on. Why you think say him a hallucinate?
The man mad, rather. A mad man, me there, me never know. If all of my friends might tell me, say, me left the man, because the man mad.
No,
never know, so the man mad.
No, but the two of them, I joke about it, but in situations like those, you know, if him hear things, and I see things, and I hallucinate, and I imagine things, and think them are real, hold on, him can hurt you.
You know that? Come and tap me one night viciously, you know, sir, and bite off the whole of my hand.
What him do what? Him what?
He must tap me one night viciously and bite off the whole of my hand.
No, but Taki got you. You're not going to just get up and attack you. So I saw what did happen. What was the argument? What did it happen?
Then that me tell you, say the man say, oh, me say 3 man come call me the night. So me say to him, say, you should have waited, make me go there to the man. He might tell me something me don't know about. And then him have an argument and he lead up till thing and him start to fight. And the man attack me and bite off the whole of my hand rather. So
the two of them start fighting. And which part of your hand him bite you?
Look back me up to the top part of my hand. On my wrist side coming up.
By your what side?
My wrist. Him back me on my wrist.
You said the top.
The man mad. The man mad.
Well, man mad. Well, you just said the top part of your hand on the wrist side?
On the wrist side, man.
Okay.
Where the finger is coming up to the wrist.
Where the finger come? But I know you tap that.
I'm a wrist ladder, man. You find the finger coming up.
Okay, what the finger there?
The watch pan.
All right. Well, you wear the watch pan. All right. Around this. Right. In bite you around that watch spot, right? Around that watch spot in bite, you know?
Yes.
Okay. Then how long now you there with that man?
I there with the man about 7 years ago. About 7 years. But me and him left now.
Well, but you say you did go left him, but you confused me. You say
left him, mother. That's left him eventually. That's left him.
No, but you say
the man is rather.
No, but you say you did go left him, meaning you never left him yet.
No, I didn't left him at the time, but me and him left now. Can we give him enough chance?
Okay. All right, then
take it no more.
Blessings and respect. You be careful here.
All right.
All right, then, cool. That man might be suffering from some kind of ailment or something or whatever. Anyway, to the phone line you go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, greeting.
Yes, my family.
Yeah, man. I'm going to tell us that woman in the car with the man that normally shot you.
Yo,
I know you want crumb program. Crumb or been up.
You know, I tell you, beside them, I kill me. Be like, I can't talk. I tell you, man.
You I tell you, say, shot, man. I tell you, say, you know, a simple thing to me still in a rag. I tell you, say, man, me know the man I got you, you know.
You didn't have to box somebody, too?
No, I'm not for box him. No, I'm for box there.
Okay.
But me know what I got you.
The numbness.
You understand?
The numbness. So you experience it firsthand then?
Yeah, man.
Well, I've read about it, but yeah, go on.
Yeah, man, because I go up on the ends one time. Do you know that?
Yeah, but you know the code thing, or no?
I know the code thing, man. How long time I listen to your program, man?
All right, my family, rinse.
So I go up on the end.
Yeah.
The woman say, Grandpa Radio is a roll show.
All right.
Yeah. Then I say, all right. You would tell him, say, she got set me up still.
Yeah, talk a little louder.
Yeah, she got set me up still.
I get a fix up.
Yeah. So I say, I'm going to shut up about you now. You know, so I start to get nervous and things. I say, I don't want to talk about it. Because you know, someone got a roll through for radio, the man get turned off and I give away. You understand?
Yeah.
So, but then I sit down by the bed foot, bro, and she said she got to give me a beat. I don't even know when I'm so still, you know.
All right, but you nobody talk about it, here.
Yeah.
But go on, go on.
You understand?
Yeah.
Anyway, I sit down there, and she started to undress me. I'm up on the bed, in my shoes and everything.
Yeah, not going into no details about that part there.
Yeah, I'm ready for cut already, you know, because shoes and sister and things are ready for cut.
Yeah.
And you're Raga. See when she starts.
Yeah.
See what the matters.
Yeah.
Me have my shoes and everything, and I saw me a shuffle from bed foot. I go up to bed head, I gone up, you know, and reach way up in a Raga.
Hold on. When them not really want to talk about, you know, them part there, you know. Here.
See?
Yeah, them even though you know, do nothing wrong, you know. Just so you know, do nothing wrong a while ago, but them really want to, you know, them not really want to talk about. It's like say, if it reach a point where you didn't get numb.
What I should say, reach a point where my head lean down sideways so I can't move no more. See? Yeah, them cast me, I'm doing nothing while I go and I get me mash up, me done with. You understand?
Okay. So she did have face the matter good, man.
Yes, man.
She did have face the matter good.
I sure it's a rock when me done. start to shoot up at myself and find out where pass she there. Can't see me here, them cast. All them things that happen to me.
You get cast here from
that? Yeah, I have a cast here, I say, me numb, me lean down, my head lean down, son. Me open up my hair,
what's her name and address? We need to interview her for a study. Because there might be people just want to really delve into the cast eye phenomenon. You know, what is her name? So then after that, you did cast again after that?
No, man, it's straight up after a while, man. I just have to the moment, you know.
Just to the moment,
to the moment, man, I tell you. I'm going to tell my bridging them about certain things. I'm going to tell the things that...
Yo, she sound like she a big DJ, man. She know for DJ.
Yeah, she could have moved.
DJ. Microphone, man.
Yeah, then? So I just call in for my thing and I say, you know?
That's all right. So then tell me something, I know. When you did a DJ back now, what fear I did cast?
No, you want to say, I never know about them thing there to deal back with the matter in a Raga.
Okay, but you know now, though?
Yeah.
And you deal back with the matters now?
Yes, man. Straight up, man.
What you said, all right, you know? You balance out the thing now,
balance out the thing.
You balance out the thing, but them time they you never know.
Me never know. Never know about it then time.
Okay, so now a DJ for DJ, don't
you? Man, straight thing, man.
Man, nothing wrong. You want up your thing. Everything is everything, man. Everything.
Straight up, you know?
Man, good. Take care of whoever take care of. Sorry, things.
Okay, then, see you, Raga.
No, a protection my family. Blessings.
Yeah, man, you're cool.
Good afternoon, hello.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah.
Big up the man who have 6 picnic now. I'm going to find 5 for his wife and everybody. You know, they have to do DNA. The kids them now.
What? Say that again, what?
The man went away and fight for him kids them.
Yeah, 6 picnic them.
Yeah, and when them do DNA, my brethren, none of them want to feel more than us.
None of the 6 picnic them. None of the 6 picnic them.
None of them want to feel more, my brethren.
No, man. Oh, God, man. Even 2 or 3.
None of them want to feel more.
The 6 of them?
Yes, man.
A 6 jacket in get?
Jacket in get.
Well, half a dozen? Well, when this happen?
Me heard on a program.
Oh, a program? What?
Program. It's real thing though, you know.
No. You don't have to tell me because you don't remember when the report come out recently.
Yeah.
And for those people who don't understand what is going on, several years ago, the United States Embassy requires that men filing for children must do a DNA test to prove, unequivocally that the child is actually is that the father picnic. Yeah. Since they've been doing that test for years now, nearly 40%, it was like 37% of them proved to be wrong.
Well, next big up for me.
And it shocked the whole country and thing. Yeah. And people are walking around and I tell man to them this and that, and the woman them a do the things them too. True. Crazy jacket a throw it out there.
You know.
You understand? All right. Mm-hmm. Hello.
The driver says me not give films to him. I don't know why I'm so eager for. But anyway.
Wait there, one second. Wait 1 second. Richie, rotted is okay. Rotted is okay.
No, tell him something about Irish school.
No. In cut you out a while ago because you see sometimes when I hear the rot, it's like, there's another word, So
downtown girl living in a downtown life. There's no worry.
All right, they talk up the thing.
Yeah, my little friend, the driver now. It's like one day, he might work and he might want passenger catch up.
Yeah.
Right, and him and the man there get strong, and the man walk up to which part of my driver and say, hey, driver boy, you know, it's a lick man for licking in your face. Hear him now. But lick me anyway, but not lick me at the girl them chair.
What? Tambourine, the man say, I lick him in his face.
Him say, I lick a man for licking in your face.
I lick a man for licking in your face, and the man say, boss, lick me anyway, but don't lick me in the girl them cheer. Papa Jesus.
Man, we give him up, boss. Man, that's it. I tell rather my story.
So face of the girl them cheer.
He love I about it, man.
Backside, Hey, well, if I'm out there, one up them thing,
I chat about me forget and mix up. I get next mix up about him, You don't know what's saying there, I work. Pay overtime. Go home really, kind of live a country. So, two locker room there and bathroom, kind of just carry some clothes and kind of live our work, And then go home and the wife's pregnant, I know him.
I know him.
He never did it.
You see it?
He never did
So
it.
then the wife had pitney already?
Yeah, man, him have kids with her already and sing. And,
But that pitney that born yet?
Yeah.
You pitney favor him?
No, it's not his child. You must tell us him they are work 24/7.
So it proves you not for him child. See it there? All right, let's say a word here.
All right, bless up yourself.
All right, babes. I will break people soon forward. Yo, no. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Whoa.
You know, me now no mix up, but you have to thank Cable and Wireless to really keep on the phone so long. Me depend it be over half hour.
Okay.
But I saw it go. But anyway.
Yes, sir.
You touch an issue where very, very serious. The DNA issue.
Yeah.
You need to get to it because let me tell you, a lot of people. I know man in black like a tar. And him have shiny pitney.
And him have shiny
pitney. And him have coolie pitney. And him have every different pitney.
You see it? And that it's going to Jamaica a long time, man.
Yes.
Going to Jamaica.
Yes. But when it comes to DNA, no, I not have afraid about that in a Raga.
Why you not?
Because I get 4 youth. And I couldn't tell the mother say she pregnant from the same night. And it never stopped.
Well, you believe in that thing that a man can, that whole thing about if the man tired and breed somebody and them.
No.
So how you feel know when you breed a woman from the same night? How you know?
But Raga ain't not done that so.
Why?
Tell her, say whether a girl or boy same way too.
Foolish is that. Foolish is that. Foolish is that. What?
All of me get 4 youth, Raga, me can't tell you. All of them. Me tell the mother. The youth them. The last one I get is a girl, I'm tell her, I'm never wrong.
Me say, well, you have a 50% rate of success with each case, you know, because it's either a boy or a girl. So you could have had 4 good guesses. But when I say, no, okay, real quickly, tell me how you know when you breed somebody.
Raga, it is a sensation where you don't feel on a regular thing.
Okay, but describe the sensation.
On a regular thing.
Describe the sensation.
No, Raga, it is going to be very hard to describe. It was going to be very hard.
No, why your head get light? Why your belly heavy? Why your back pain you? Is what?
Nothing like that. It is a sensation, Raga.
All right. Where is the feeling centered? In your head or in your chest?
The feeling is a feeling through your whole body.
So your whole body.
Not just a feel-good system. Physical boy is a nice thing.
No, what? Okay, is it a tired feeling?
No.
Is it an energized feeling?
No. It's a feeling, Raga, where most man can call you and say, boy, we understand that. So they might can't explain it. All
right, let me ask you something. Yeah, them time that when you shut up the place and think woman have fall asleep when I'm done because I used to go out or go home. Don't take them time.
I get all of my youth them in my 20 from 24 go up to about 28.
Okay. So you probably just have the gift to know them things.
Yeah, because I was never wrong, Raga.
Never wrong.
Some of them are perfect picture also.
Okay.
If you see my youth and you know me, you now have to ask me if I'm my son. Just say what happened. What happened with your father there?
Exactly. Well, me understand them look over there, aren't you?
Yeah, but Raga, it's an issue. You need to deal with it, bring it up, and then.
All right, I'm going to
learn a lot of things.
Talk to Ruth about it, but we are going to definitely.
Yes, man.
Try to sort out.
Yes, and I hear you talk about the fan wall.
To the phone lines we go. I want to say good afternoon to you, caller.
Good afternoon, Raga.
What's up?
A country.
Country girl, where you say?
Raga, after I call you Monday, I say, boy, give me a lick in my face with that stone. One uncounteractable lick, I say my face well bigger than your body. Me not lie.
Licking at your face with that stone?
Yeah.
Why?
Raga, if me wrong, you tell me to me wrong. Uncle, if me right more, you tell me to me right. See?
Yeah.
They don't like me.
Right.
People them who ever they trace. Anyway, after we done the work at the time, me and my friend them come together and listen to the program.
Right.
Come on, the boy, they pass and hear with a laugh when they carry on.
Yeah.
And the boy start to class me. Oh, me a dog, and me a drunk, and me a war, and me a this, and me a 2 picnic, and me give man jacket. So me said to him, say me not trouble you my youth, so why you trouble me for? Since you know, say, me have 2 jacket down on my yard, 6 over for your yard. That not fair enough?
So him... Well, on, so him hear you a laugh and enjoy the show and start styling up.
Yeah, because somebody then call him one nickname, you know, and somebody trouble him and him come up and in the course, but people don't know what they want. So he hear me the laugh, so he think him me the trouble and him me the laugh, but.
Okay, so him thinks that him did a fast with.
Yes, I start to class me now, so he started to say me a 2 jacket, so I said 2 still better than 6, because 6 over yard and 2 there my yard. He replied, sister over the yard, reply, I know nothing. Him the boy saying, what make his car and tell Raga say, oh, me a 2 jacket. He said, me no car and tell Raga say, you have 6 jacket over your yard. Raga me so see him and me say, what me call Monday and say Raga, me say, uncle big up to the yard in 6 jacket. The auntie, our sister still reply, I know nothing a few. Raga then twist the story and call the next sister and tell the sister say, oh, me put her upon Raga and tell Raga say, oh, we give husband 6 jacket. Oh, God Almighty, Raga, me and that woman never have nothing from the day in the band. I respect that woman to the ground when I walk on Raga. She passed me and go up, and my friend, me the talk to one girl, and me hear somebody call me and say, country, them a done you out. My uncle called me and say the same thing. My walk there to dress the matter. When I go then couldn't see me here, everybody, I've got there to say everything what people have to say, oh, I'm a friend, I want to friend, Raga, I couldn't believe it. When I couldn't take in them, I break out upon them, and I hold it down. And the woman come out, the woman come out and start to call, somebody call him and tell him to put her name, Raga, and I say, my lady, you're supposed to be bigger than this. You're Christian, you're married, you go to your church. Me not, you don't have nothing, so me want to put your Raga. And Mrs. Ragashanti, Mrs. say, no make no sense. When me they talk, then I listen to me. So me they walk with. When I reach up at the top, his sister, the ugly one, said to me, say, he said, me can't tell the road what she said to me, right?
Right.
He said to me, say, he said XYZ. So me turn around and address the matter. When me did address the matter, one of my cousins said to me, say, country look out. Then me turn around and brother, come and back me in my face with a stone. You hear me? And then come down the ugly one up there, you know. Left her yard and gone, and the woman yard and chat me and my friend them, you know. And they can't tell chat about, oh, lick him, my brother, lick her and this and all that. And when the boy lick me, you know, she replied, me not know money to pay if you lick her, you know, so don't lick her. Don't you lick me already, you know, you see it. I want a big push they go on down here, so.
Well, I say at the end of the day, them twist the story and say, you call and say the sister. And I never had a sister there. And you say you are not woman and never have nothing. And not only that, you say you respect that sister there. You respect the ground that she walk on.
Let me tell you, man. When you say, Raga, up to Sunday, we're going to go down our yard, go buy a polish. She should have said, I have nothing against her. I love her. I'm not sure I'm on the radar, Raga. I didn't love her.
So wait. A fear brother moved to you?
Yeah.
What? And the brother will move to you? Are you want him to kick off when him walk past you?
Yes. And tell me, I do, so I say, 2 still better than 6 because your sister. And then people them give man jacket and give man a little jacket and then twist it to because they want help because they find so they can manage me now. So they want help so they carry it and a family panic.
So him say a 2 jacket you get and thing and then you just flat back and say a 6 him get and whatever and so that they kick.
Then I call Monday and I say big up to the yard with the 6 jacket in there and then twist and tell the other sister.
Alright, so in terms of the liquor you get in your face with the stone, why do to you? It bust your face or anything?
No, my face no bust is swelling and I go because me to say I worry now and I call for station and if the police them say come up there, come up there, I'm going to go up there and they send me down to the hospital and they say, me not put it down, I must put it at court because something has to be done because the man who the woman live up there with, he not stop. Up to this morning, he passed me. Up on me, the baby, little baby answered to me, said, dirty thinking girl. Go up a station or the police can't come yet. Let me don't know this swiper boy punch up the swipe you and your friend them. One more to one something on who and then they go burn me out and they go chop me and my friend up. I want to call Paraga, me not call Raga and tell Raga. If you call Paraga and say, me know somebody what team, me people in my team, my friend them a dash your belly, me this, Raga one whole bag of thing what me say. Right now, me say me stall more than some has to be done and me not go pray than none of them because me know say, there's a hell and there's a heaven. Then kill my brother and then I go kill me after nothing.
So you report it to the police?
Yeah, we go back up there. Because then they go burn me out and then go kill me and then go do this and do that. And I never trouble them. I said the girl left her yard and gone and the woman here done chat me. I said the woman big and dirty like I when baby they creep. And I chat me and tell me, oh, me not.
She big and dirty like I when baby a creep?
Yeah, you know, when Billy the creep and go to the woman left her yard and gone loose up and dirty like a road. And they can't discriminate me. They hate me. I grudge me. Because they never know, say, a girl like me could have called for Ragashanti. Thank God if you me let me pin it when they tie me down. And to me bust me now, I mean know a good life. I mean hold up my head and I can talk on the road where them can do. That's why them hate me. I mean I'm going to stop calling you.
Nah, man, everything good, man. You can't go. Yeah, what? Me talk to you about something half a year, yeah? 1 hour, yeah?
We just want them to tell them and move it to me.
No, but still go to the police. Make sure you go back up at police station and make sure. And hold on, and make sure, you see, after you go to the doctor, make sure you get. Listen to me. When you leave the doctor, tell them you're not leaving until you get a doctor's report of the injury. You understand? You need that.
Yes, sir.
And then
they go straight, you know.
All right. Yeah.
And the doctor don't tell me must do, so the police them know if it's step in.
No. Listen to me. Don't depend on the police for this. You make sure you get the doctor's report, here?
Yes.
All right. You see, after you get the doctor's report, you go back to the police and you tell the police you're pressing charges and you want them to copy the doctor's report. Don't leave the original with them. Give them, tell them you want it. In fact, you make a copy and bring the copy, go get them, yeah?
Yes, sir.
You keep the original and then you tell them you're pressing charges. All right? And then I'm going to talk to you about something else, here? Because the thing I have to set away, whatever, but half the year, here. That's our word. That's cool. Me talk to you.
But now put it down.
No, I don't think you should put it down either.
If I head me in the yellow.
Yes.
Coming in, trouble them.
All right.
Them is one set of cannibal. Them bad mind ragga. Them bad mind come and go close where they have bend down $50, $100, $20. Them bad mind you.
All right, country girl. Let's say a word. I'm going to link you, yeah?
All right.
All right. Blessings, Iris. Drummer. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Why when them people and them don't stay up on the phone?
Can you imagine a car with a word for Ragashanti?
Hello.
Raga.
Look for one where they are say hello, man.
Raga.
Yes, look for one where they are say hello.
What, man?
Yeah, what happened?
Thanks to our sentences on board. When you say mix-up pasta?
Eh?
When you say mix-up pasta today?
Yeah. Pastor and church mix-up.
Pastor and church mix-up?
Yeah.
Why? You know, if you don't agree with me, but me believe say pastor to find another job, you know.
Which pastor?
What to pay them?
You know if you pay them?
Yeah, man, depend on the church money.
Why you say that now? What you talking about?
Eh?
What you talking about? What's the mix-up?
You mix up now, Raga.
Yeah.
Me know one pastor, right?
Yeah.
As you go into the church for 2-3 days, he want to baptize you.
Oh.
And after he baptize you, right away he want to put you in a marriage.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yes, sir.
And in our workout, all of them is something when they in our workout. Then they stay in them 1, 2 or 3 weeks.
But what is wrong with what him do? What is wrong with what him do?
But I'll tell you something, brother. If me come in your church, if you have a church and I come in your church, you're supposed to have me in a year and a training.
Okay.
You're not supposed to come and dip in the water so quick.
You're not supposed to go dip in the water so quick, no?
No.
Okay.
You understand me?
Right.
And right away, he must say, you know, if you fornicate, so you have to get a wife. So right away, tell us, go look a wife. To come begging married, you know. And right away, then give you your envelope to pay your tithes. And every minute, rather, they might keep sitting.
Okay, I want to church. Okay, I want to church every minute, then keep something.
Yes, so it's a money making.
A money make the church focus too much for money.
Yes, and then take a picture at poolside.
Then take a picture what?
at poolside. I got them to do with me. Take me picture at poolside. As me baptized, I come up there, take me picture at poolside.
Oh, them take a picture at poolside. Then what they do with the picture?
Believe me, Raga, I can't tell you. Believe me.
But basically, you said that them too focused on money.
Yes.
Them always have something for make money, though.
Yes.
And them want to lock you in quick as a member and make you married quick and them something like that, you said, oh?
Yes, and if you want me ball out the church name.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that.
Oh, we can't ball out?
No, but you can't tell me which parish it in.
Well, they're located in our parish, because you know church full.
No, that one the way you go, you tell her which parish that one they're located.
Trelawney,
all right.
Yeah, man, Trelawney.
All right.
And what's a Raga? Let me tell you something. Believe me, church is a powerful body, and believe me, the church feel.
The church feel?
Yeah, the church feel. The reason why the church feel, they use it as a money making, and it shouldn't use as a money making. It should use as a demonstration what the church should do. This kind of military move.
What? What you say? What?
This type of military move. Ready to take on anything in our country when I rise.
Okay. The church should be activist oriented and be able to tackle all of the problems. Okay, good. All right.
And the look side, brother.
Yeah.
The look side should show just like how you see the army up a camp.
A bit of a stretch, but I see the point where you make. But remember now. Yeah, but we hear the mix-up part where you say and things. So I hope the people them up in the church there in Trelawney and things them know, change it.
And watch a quick Raga. Instead them a preach about man and woman.
Yeah.
They should preach and say we need to put they should say Christian no need to put on no army boot, no need to put on no army hat now.
All right, sir. All right, sir. Okay. And the church is a denominational church, right?
Yeah, man, because the country at war, you know.
No, well, Papa, man. All right. What is in, you can't tell me the name of the church now, but don't tell me which part it located or anything, you know.
7 years.
Say no more. Stop right there, sir. All right, we have to go bounce two other call. We have to bounce one more call before we cut here.
Love and thanks.
All right, man. Blessings. All right. One more call. Give me a 2-minute call. Good afternoon. Hello. Yes, hello.
A pleasant good evening.
A pleasant good evening to you also.
I get a message from the Lord for Mr. Beanie Man, and I don't know how to contact him, so I just asking you to contact him for me and gave him this number, and the Lord bless you.
No. You get a message from the Lord for who?
Mr. Beanie Man.
For Beanie Man. Okay. You can't share it with me, and I can pass it on.
I just asked you to give me the number. I don't want it over the air. We share it off the air with you.
You share it off the air with me, with Beanie Man. Okay, keep this lady online because we take that message and pass it on to Beanie. He's presently in Africa, and he's not going to return until the beginning of next month. But I can get in touch with him, and given the emergency that is inherent in the message or so forth, I would more than likely pass it on for you. Yeah, but I'll just talk to you off the air in a minute, okay?
Okay.
All right.